YouTube! Can you smell it? Just look at that delicious baked apple cinnamon cake, fresh from the oven only a moment ago. It's filled with juicy, sweet Gala apples. Today, I will be showing you how I made it. So grab your apples and let's get going. The ingredients you need to make this cake include 2 cups of flour, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 heaping teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of cooking oil, and finally 6 or 7 medium apples. So let's start with our 2 eggs. We want to prepare our eggs, sugar, cinnamon, and oil before we start cutting our apples, so that we can coat them as they go to help prevent the apples from browning. We'll hold off on the flour and baking soda for now. Now let's fill up our 1 3/4 cup of sugar. What are you waiting for? Pour it in! Now throw in those 2 heaping teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Now pour in that 1/2 cup of cooking oil. With our partial ingredients now in the bowl, it's time to stir. Keep stirring until your batter looks like thick, creamy chocolate pudding. Now let's try our new apple wedger that is supposed to make life in the kitchen so much easier. Ooh! Let's try that again. Maybe this time. Oh no! Wow. Get that damn thing out of here! Go ahead and peel your first apple. Then remove the core and seeds, and then cut the apple into small chunks. Now immediately put your first apple chunks into the batter and stir them gently to coat them with the mixture and to keep them from oxidizing. Repeat the process with the rest of your apples, cutting and coating them one at a time in the mixture. When all your apples are in the mixture, it's time to mix our remaining ingredients in a separate bowl. First, pour your 2 cups of flour in an empty bowl. Then it's time to add our 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You know the drill. Let's mix them together. Now go ahead and pour it on top of your apple mixture. Then mix it all together. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Ha! We have too much fun on this channel. Don't stop mixing. You want to keep mixing until the dry flour absorbs most of the wet batter. Now pull out your 2 9-inch round cake pans and let's start pouring. Try to even out your batter the best you can in equal portions between both pans. I don't know about you, but I'm tempted to eat the batter raw. Now round them out by making sure every part of the pan is covered. Set your oven timer for 55 minutes and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Remember, oven times and temperatures may vary depending on your specific make and model, and you may have to readjust as necessary. It's now ready to bake. It's making the whole house smell delightful. We'll cover and refrigerate our second pan and bake it later. About 30 seconds to go. It's almost done. Finally! Just look at that beautiful, delicious brown cinnamon crust. I can't wait to dig in. Wishing you and your family safe and happy holidays. Enjoy. Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the Quill of Comfort YouTube channel for the best of food, craft, and nature.